Right. Good afternoon. I chose for my technology lesson to incorporate a fun game called Kahoot. This is where you can create quizzes for the children to practice and even go against each other as a fun competition. And I thought that they would enjoy it, and it was something first grade could even easily accomplish on their own. So you, first of all, will go to Kahoot.com, and then I'm going to go to log in, and I'll see my Kahoots right here that I've created. So my Kahoot is on living and non-living things, a lesson that we just got done learning in science. So you can see I asked many questions. Is a tree a living thing? Are guinea pigs living things? What do living things, what is one thing they do not need to survive? And it's multiple choice. So let's go through this together. We can practice it. So you can see you can start it as a live game in the classroom and they can play against one another. You can assign it as homework or as an assignment at home, good for self-paced learning. And then you can also practice. So they can play at their own pace and practice the questions in this Kahoot. So let's go to practice and see what it looks like. So ready, set, go. We'll put in our nickname. I'll just do Mary for myself. So living and non-living things. Is a tree a living thing? See, they can choose either yes or no. Is a tree a living thing? Yes. Correct. Okay, is a bird a living thing? Yes. Okay, and then are guinea pigs living things? This one will answer incorrectly so we can see what it looks like if they were to answer it incorrect. So we'll say no, they are not living things. Oh, answer was lost. Great try. What do living things need to survive? What do living things not need to survive? Air, toys, water, or food. So of course they don't need toys. We have 3 more questions we'll go through, and then I'll show you how it looks at the end. Do living things need a home? I don't know, maybe, yes or no. Yes, they do need a home. Is a rock a living thing? We will answer this incorrectly again to see how it grades us. Oh, maybe next time. Is a worm living or non-living? Worm is a living thing. And last one, are toys living things? No. So it tells us how many we got. Oh, 3rd place, 2nd place, 1st place was me. So I got 6 out of 8 correct. So tell me each one and the runner-up. Okay, so you can see how Kahoot works and is easy enough for anyone to create. So thank you, and I hope you have learned how to create your own Kahoot for your class.